Hey beautiful people, today I have the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam box or BoxyCharm by Ipsy boxes for the month of January. I'm a little late this month because kiddo was home from school and you know, kiddo always comes first. So today is the first day he's actually like fully back at school and I'm able to sit down and film for you guys. So it's a little late, but better late than never. Anyways, we're gonna jump into this. They do send me this for review purpose and I kind of peeked in these bags to see if I was gonna do a try on or not. And I don't know if you can tell, but there's gonna be no try on. Let's get into it. The bag is super cute. I will say I am a purple lover, okay? Lover of all things purple. And this sequin baby, she's mine. I just, I love me a good purple. And I'm a huge BTS fan and they are launching like a Loungefly purple book bag that I have my eye on. And I think that this will be super cute to like keep little things inside of the bag so it all goes together. Okay, let's jump into it. First things first is this little palette right here. I will definitely be giving a lot of these products away because I don't know, I just didn't feel it this month. Who's with me? Who's with me? Like I really wanted the year to start out like bam, but it just like by eyeing this bag, I just wasn't into it as much. So this is the Daydreams by Lucky Chick. And it's just like a cute little palette right there. It's very cool toned. It has beautiful glitter in the middle, but it's more of stuff that I already have. It doesn't really call me. I don't know much about this formulation, and so I rather give it to someone who's gonna give it some loving than actually like just keep it just to keep it. And next thing in here is the First Aid Beauty Deep Cleanser. This is to remove excess oil and unclog pores. I really love First Aid Beauty. I actually have like 5 cleansers in my bathroom right now, so I am going to be giving this forward, but this is a really great brand. So this one I'm not mad at. Next is a liner. It is called La Palguera, which is actually a place in Puerto Rico. It's called the Island Eyeliner. And if I'm not mistaken, it's just black. Are you just black? I want to say. Yeah, I think it's just a black eyeliner, so I'm not going to open it up. It's by the brand YC Collection. But I just own way too many eyeliners. Unless it's like a brand that I've really wanted to try, it's just like not calling to me. Next, I have an eye cream by a brand called Verifree. I've never heard of this one, but I also have like multiple eye creams open. And then last, we have a body lotion by Lauren's. It's just an almond body lotion for travel. Overall, this bag is just meh. It just does not call to me. I really wanted the year to start off with like, yeah, I'm so excited, but sadly I'm just not like into this bag. Other than the bag's aesthetic itself, it's just not giving the vibes. Next, let's get into the BoxyCharm, the January one. And before anybody goes and writes me like, oh my God, why are you being so negative? This is just my personal opinion. You know, each person's gonna be different. There's gonna be people who are gonna be super excited about certain boxes. There's months that I'm super excited and some of you guys aren't excited, or vice versa. Don't take it personal. These videos are for fun. This is not like, you know, life and death. These are just makeup videos, and I feel like sometimes people just take these like just way too hard. You know, this is just my personal opinion and based on my collection and everything else. And just like if I was paying for this box, this would be like my personal opinion. And I did for many years pay separately for a subscription and would give you guys my opinions, and you guys wouldn't. There was months that I wasn't happy. Okay, first things in here is the Squalene Face Oil by the brand Feel. This actually looks really nice. It's a dropper and it says it has vitamin C and it's supposed to have squalene to help with like wrinkles and to brighten your skin. I do have quite a bit of skincare. If you guys saw my mega haul, I just bought a whole bunch of the Inky list. And so I will be giving this to a coworker. I told her I was going to make her a little box for her. So I'm going to give her a lot of these products. Next, we have the Farah Smooth Focus Face Primer. I really like their, what's that called? Like their lip products from Farah. This looks really cool. So this is what it looks like. It's cruelty free. The shelf life on this is only 6 months though. It kind of makes me, it says that it is supposed to give you picture perfect airbrushed appearance. It has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. It's supposed to give you a smooth base, refine pores. I am not sure about this primer. Oh, it's kind of like the Smashbox one where it's clear and very silicone-y. And I actually have that one on hand, if I'm not mistaken. Do I? Yeah, I have quite a few of the Smashbox ones that I absolutely love. And as you can see, those are pretty full. So I'm going to give this forward. If it was kind of like one of those creamy ones, I might keep it, but it's just clear, very similar to the original Smashbox one, where it's kind of like that very silicone feel to it. Next, we have the LYS Beauty Lash Confidence Clean Mascara. It has that kind of like curve wand to it. I don't know if I've tried this or not, but right now I'm still going through like a crap ton of my mascaras. This is a really nice brand though. I do really like their blushes. I've tried their brushes, the brushes, and they're really, really great. Also, I want to say that I have one of their bronzers. So really, really great brand, but I'm going to gift that one forward as well. Next is actually the one thing that when I popped my little head inside this box, I was like, yes! The only thing that I'm really excited for is this baby right here. If you know me, one thing, I love Glow Recipe. Second thing, I love me SPF. So when I saw this sucker in there, I was like, come to mama, okay? This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide sunscreen, and I love their original niacinamide dewdrops, their what's that called, their watermelon stuff. So this actually has an SPF of 50, which is amazing. I love me sunscreen like nobody's business. I literally have a drawer full of it because I use it every day underneath my makeup, or even if I'm not wearing makeup, sunscreen is where it's at for me, okay? You need to take care of your skin. If you guys don't know, my mom had skin cancer, not the like really aggressive what's that called, melanoma, but she just had like one specifically on her arm, and she's had small ones around her face from sun exposure where she's had to have radiation on them. And so to me, sun care is absolutely essential. Aside from skin cancer, it also ages you, so it's essential. Let me go ahead and just pop some of this out and see what it looks like. It comes out white, but it does have that, like that SPF smell. I wanted it to smell like their watermelon stuff, and it doesn't. It smells more like SPF. The bottle is nice. It's cute. It's like their signature pinky color. I do like that it's an SPF of 50. It doesn't have like that much of a white cast. It really blended really, really nicely and leaves like a little bit of a glow. I will definitely try this out, test it out, and see what I like about it and if it becomes one of my top ones. Especially because it says that it gives a glow, and it has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, which are really good for hydration on the skin. So yeah, it also has aloe, and what else does it have? That's it. Okay, but this is the thing that I'm most excited in this whole box out of everything. And then the last thing is a Seraphine Botanicals Geranium and Glow Blush and Highlight Palette. This is another product that I will be giving away. I looked at it and it looks very similar to a lot of the blushes that I do own. I need to go through my blushes and do a declutter again, but I just recently decluttered so many things. I actually have a playlist of all, like a lot of declutters that I've done, especially recently at the end last year. I did take out quite a bit of products and just really got rid of a lot of stuff that I wasn't using. But let's go ahead and show you guys this one. This one's cruelty free. It's talc free. It has no parabens, no phthalates or whatever they're called. The palette is cute. It's like these little flowers, and then it has these beautiful like peachy shades and a mauve tone. It also has a beautiful little highlight here in the corner. Just a great everyday palette, but I do have shades that are very similar to these. For example, this peachy shade reminds me a lot of quite a few of the blushes that I own. So I do have, like, for example, all the Ciate London ones. I have the Benefit Cosmetic ones. This one, this peachy one, looks very much like the Georgia Peach from Benefit Cosmetics. So I have a lot of duplicates of these. And also, I mean, I have like God knows how many highlighters like this I have. So this I will give to somebody who will give it some love. But overall this month, both the bag and box are just okay. They're just like, meh. It's gonna depend on your collection, what you're looking for, what you want in your collection. But the thing that excites me the most was the glow recipe and the bag from the Ipsy Glam bag. This little bag is so freaking cute. But I don't know, overall I think it's an okay box. I feel like the person that I'm gonna give all these things to is gonna really love them and appreciate them. But being me, that I have so much in my collection, I really wanted to see, I don't know, like, I hope that Ipsy does like a Pat McGrath quad, or, you know, just something that I'm going to be like, oh my God, I'm so excited, you know, like something to really spruce it up. I'd love to see like the Danessa Myricks or like the Patrick Ta blushes or contours, something like that, something that really like, in your face, like a brand that I really wanted to try but have held back. Maybe some Charlotte Tilbury in there. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts down below on this box. And I don't mean to be like a negative Nancy or anything like that. I know that some people take this the wrong way. It's just kind of like my opinion of the box and the products that are in here. I feel like if you don't have a big makeup collection, this would be like really great for you, because it's like a face primer, it's you know, a face palette, skincare, mascara, sunscreen. It's like you're getting a little bit of everything. So overall it's good, but I really want it to be hyped up to the next level. I want to open it and just like, I remember there were times where I would open Boxy Charm or like Ipsy bags and be like, oh my God, you know, I want that excitement. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys for supporting my channel, for watching. If you're not subscribed, you can hit that little red button. My social media is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.